The letter Alif, like all Arabic letters, is written differently depending on where in a word it falls. Here, you see it in the middle of the word, and it is not connected with any of the other letters in the word. Now we see it at the beginning of the word, and again, it is not connected. And finally, we see it in the middle of a word, and it is connected with the letter that comes before it on its right. The letter Thaa. When you think of Thaa, think of the letter of the number 3. So you see 3 dots. So the letter Thaa. Now let's see it written. Here we have Thaa at the beginning of the word in its connected shape. You can see it there in black, and that little red stick after it is another letter. So it is connected to that other letter. Now we see Thaa again connected at the beginning, and also in its independent shape. So the connected beginning shape is kind of half of its full shape. See, it's kind of half right there of the full shape, and now you can see its absolute full shape. Its full shape, it's not connected to other letters. Now you can see it at the end of the word, connected with the letter before it, and it's pretty much its full shape, just with a little add-on. Very easy to identify. Now, last but not least, you see Thaa connected on both sides. It's connected. You can see there it is in the middle, and there's a letter before it and a letter after it, and it is connected to both of those letters, and I didn't pick up my pen between writing Thaa and those other letters. I just wrote them in one go. There it is, letter Thaa. The letter Jiim. Here it is in its full independent shape. It won't always be that way. And when it's at the end of the word and it's not connected to any other letters, it gets to keep that shape. And when it's at the end of the word and it's connected, like here, to the other letters, it gets to keep that shape with a little add-on, just like the letter Thaa. But remember this shape well, you're not always going to see it. When we move it to the beginning of the word, it kind of gets cut in half. Here you have it at the beginning of the word, connected with the letter that came after it, and the tail is gone. We have the triangle top plus the dot. And it doesn't matter whether it's the very beginning of the word or just doesn't connect the letter before it, that's its shape if it connects. And if it's at the end, well, it always gets to keep its big shape. And here you have it connected on both sides with letters that come before and after it. And again, it is its half shape. You can know it by its triangle with a dot. The letter Ain. The letter Ain in its full independent shape looks like this. Here you see it at the end of the word, not connecting with the letter before it. But when it connects, it changes. At the beginning of the word, it just loses its tail and gets a line on the line. Here you see it connecting with the letter that comes after it. And normally, when I would write these, I would just write it all in one go. I would not pick up my pen between writing Ain and the letter that it connects with. But in the middle, it becomes an upside down triangle. So that is when it connects on both sides, the letter before and after it, it becomes this triangular shape.